I've had this conversation a lot of times where people say being heavy is, it's just a choice. I say it's not a choice. It is I've been able to take some weight off, nowhere near where I need to be, but no one would choose to be unhappy as they are. And I think it goes hand in hand with mental illness, depression. You're not going to tell someone that wants to commit suicide that's just a choice. No, there's a chemical imbalance happening in your brain that makes you feel that way. There's a chemical imbalance in my brain that got me to 700 pounds. Yes, I'm choosing to eat what I choose, eat what I eat, but a rational functioning mind is not going to think that way. So there's more to it than just put the fork down.
It's like you say, it's like any addiction. I mean, whether it's an alcoholic or a heroin addict, I think, deep down inside, an alcoholic doesn't want to be an alcoholic, or a heroin addict doesn't want to be a heroin addict. So I think addictions are all rooted in the same areas in the brain when it comes to neurotransmitter response, and whether it be, drugs or alcohol or sex or gambling or food addiction, I think they're rooted all in the same place. And Tosha kind of alluded to it, really, is that, you have to fix your mind before you fix any of that stuff, for sure.